Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Andobil bicycle phone holder. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So there's not much on the box here. It says model CTV K54. Package size is 152 by 93 by 95 millimeters. The net weight is 227 grams. So here's the phone holder part. Here's the bike mount part. Inside here we have a little contact card, and we have a welcome guide or an instruction manual here. So taking these out of the package, this feels quite heavy. And when I say heavy, I mean more like heavy duty. I mean, it has weight to it, and if you're conscious of your weight on your bicycle, you probably aren't even carrying a phone with you. But it just feels nice and significant. So in the welcome guide here, we have the specifications. I went over the model number already. It says applicable places: bicycle, motorcycles, baby strollers, etc. So if you have like a jogging stroller or a baby stroller, this would be a way you could attach your phone to it. The phone holder capability is 4.7 to 6.8 inch smartphones. Thickness is less than or equal to 15 millimeters. Bicycle clip compatibility is 0.6 to 1.75 inch in diameter. So that's a pretty decent range of sizes. And it comes with the holder, the clip, and the welcome guide. So this looks standard to many phone mounts. There's a nut on the bottom of the phone. I'll place that over this ball here. I'll press that into the back of the phone, and I'll put the nut on there, like so. And then you can rotate this around and position it however you like. So say I want it in some awkward diagonal position, I can lock it like that. And then if I want to change it, I just loosen that up and I can move it around. So this looks like it has a lock here. So it says it's unlocked. Oh, that's interesting. So when you pull on this, these all come out. That's kind of cool. So I'll open this a little bit and I'll switch it. Okay, so that locked in that position. So this has feels like maybe like a silicone rubber here on the surfaces to grip your phone. It has a hole here for your charging cable. The clamp has a screw on it, so it threads, and it has silicone in here. So you would typically put this on your handlebar, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. And you could position this in the horizontal or vertical orientation, depending on how you put it on your bike. So looking at the instructions here, they have the threaded part on the top. So if you mount it on your handlebar, you would have this part up. Okay, so I'm going to go get one of my bicycles and we'll install this on it. Okay, I have my bike here, and this has a straight bar. This is a mountain bike. So I can take the clamp and I can put it on here and I'll tighten it down. So I'll do it in about that position. So now this can move around. It can tilt back and forth, up, down. You can see the range here. You can also do it sideways, like so. So once you get in the position you want, you just tighten that nut on the bottom. And that will hold that steady. So now you could stick a phone in there. I just have this solar panel here. It's about the size of a phone. There. So you can see how that opens up. Let me get a better view. So I'll get a phone in here and we'll go on a test ride. Okay, so that was a little ride sample. So the phone I have here is an iPhone 6S here, and you can see the rubber here has little lines on it, so it kind of isolates the shock between the phone and the holder itself. Has some down here too. So I went over some different bumps and stuff on that ride, and it seemed to hold it pretty securely. I wasn't worried about this falling out or anything. Now I didn't have anything on the phone, but you could certainly put a speedometer up here. You could put something up to track your ride, a map. There's all sorts of things you could put on here. You could put music on here, things like that. So that's the Andobil bicycle phone mount. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.